Hello friends, let us discuss the concept of exception handling in Python. Before going into the depth of exception handling, let us discuss the book's definition of the exception. An exception is usually defined as something that does not conform to the norms. Now let us discuss in detail. There are two kinds of error in any programming language. First is a syntax error, another is a semantic error. Syntax errors are being identified by any programming language and being treated also. But the semantic error, that is not identified by the programming language, and hence it is not being treated by the programming language. We have to do some extra efforts to handle that type of language, and exception handling is the way to handle such kind of error. Now let us try to understand the concept practically. Say for example, I am creating one list with the value 10, 20 and 30 and trying to access its element, 0th element. So what will be the output? Yes, 10, definitely the value of 0th element. What will be the output of first element? Yes, definitely 20, and second element, that is 30. But what if I am trying to access the third element which does not exist? Definitely yes friends, it will raise an index error, that is list index out of range. Now I want to handle this exception, so I will use the try block. Yes, indentation is important in Python. Except index error, colon, print index error occurred. Okay friends, so index error is caught. The error was raised from this statement but caught in the exception part, so the output index error occurred is there. Now let us label this code as a index error example, and now value error example b is equal to integer input, enter any number and print that value. So here we are expecting the number from user, hence we are trying that convert that input value into integer. But what if user will not input the integer? So let us try to run this code. Yes, number is 45 for example, so no error. But what if user input something other than number? So for example ABC, yes, value error occurred. So here we are trying to now catch except value error. Great. Okay. So now if value error will occur, then it will also be value error occur. Now handle divide by 0. Example. Before going forward, let us comment out this code so it doesn't disturb next code. So v is equal to 10 divided by 2 and print v. There is no issue, output will be 5. But what if we are trying to divide with 0? As per norms of maths, any value cannot be divided by 0. So yes, 0 division error occurred. Not divide by 0, but 0 division error. Except 0 division error and print 0 division error occurred. So again 0 division error occurred is handled. So in this way we can handle the errors. We can handle the errors, right? Now here we have written 3 except parts, but if we will omit all these things, that is only except, then for any kind of error we can use the same message. Comment these lines. Enter number AAA. So yes, error occurred. If I'm trying to use as code, yes, error occurred. If again error occurred because 0 is there. So for any kind of error except part will work. Now what if I want to print the appropriate error message? Yes, the module sys will help us for this. sys.exe underscore info. This is the method which will return us the error. Let us try to print the 0th element. Yes, the error is there as we have not imported the sys module. Import sys. ABC. So yes, class value error. Value error is occurred. I'm trying to access third element and index error occurred. And if yes, 0 division error occurred. Now the first element will return us the error message. Class is 0 division error and the error message is division by 0. If we are inputting A, B, C, that is an appropriate value, then again invalid literal or integer with base 10 A, B, C. So friends, this was something about the exception handling. I'm again repeating quickly. The try block will try to execute the statements. If any error occurs, it will goes to the except part and will execute, so that the program does not end with error. Okay, so this was something about exception handling. This is it for now. We will meet next time with a new topic. Thank you, friends. Bye.